Sit rep as follows.
Have you ever had a dream, Neo, that you were so sure was real? What if you were unable to wake from that dream? How would you know the difference between the dream world and the real world?
The answer is out there, Neo. It's the question that drives us.
What is the Matrix? The Matrix is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth.
Human beings are a disease. You are a cancer of this planet. And we are the cure.
They estimated that they would have to eliminate 25 million people in these re-education centers. And when I say eliminate, I mean kill.
A fan of new technology, this young man from Switzerland has had 2 radio frequency identification chips implanted into his body. He's part of a new generation of what some have branded enhanced human beings.
The Matrix is a system, Neo. That system is our enemy. When you're inside, you look around, what do you see? Businessmen, teachers, lawyers, carpenters. The very minds of the people we are trying to save. But until we do, these people are still a part of that system, and that makes them our enemy. You have to understand, most of these people are not ready to be unplugged. And many of them are so inert, so hopelessly dependent on the system, that they will fight to protect it.
They're just so outdated.
It's so much has changed. So much has changed. People have changed. There's just we live in a different world now.
Checking to see if the Hillary Clinton supporters support the plan to repeal the bill.
I support it.
You support it.
I support it.
Okay.
I sure do.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Her plan to repeal the Bill of Rights. About time we do that for her.
I think it's a good time to look at it, for
Good
sure.
time to look at repealing the Bill of Rights for Hillary.
Good time to look at it,
All
yeah.
right. Hillary Clinton's primary campaign platform is to repeal the Bill of Rights to move America forward. Do you think that's a good campaign promise? Do you think that we should get behind her regardless of what political party you're with to support the repeal of the Bill of Rights?
I do.
And our Lord and Savior, Barack Obama. Barack Obama.
We are trained to deceive if we have to. You shouldn't trust me. I will taint the news. You shouldn't trust me. I will taint the news.
Television remains the main source of news for many Americans. In 2016, 46% of adults said they got their news from local TV stations, and it's information they trust. 41% of registered voters said they trust local news to tell the truth, while just 27% trust national news. Sinclair disputes having any kind of a political bent. Its executives declined to talk with us on camera for this report.
The sharing of biased and
false news has become all too common on social media.
This weekend, the online site Deadspin created this compilation of dozens of Sinclair's local newscasters recording an identical promo accusing the national media of spreading fake news.
And an agenda to control exactly what people think. And this is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
Our propaganda was beginning to pay off.
Genetically modified sounds Frankensteinish. Drought resistance sounds really something you want.
I am not a dictator. I'm the president. This is a full, dishonorable, scientific mafia warfare takedown.
Public policy could itself become the captive of a scientific, technological elite.
These people are coming for everybody. I'm not going to wait around to be soft-killed. I'm not going to wait around and watch my family die around me. I'm going to die fighting.
You take the blue pill. The story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill. You stay in Wonderland. And I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
Zoning, buildings, housing will be impacted by it, planning certainly, and it's the people who run those agencies and the deputies that are pledging allegiance to the New World Order and pledging allegiance to the New World Order and pledging allegiance to the New World Order and good governance. And then I think we have the Inspector General do some spot audits to make sure that there is real compliance.
I want to make something clear. I'm going to guarantee you this is not last year's scene of this guy. You're going to take care of the gun problem with me. You're going to be the one that leads this effort. I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you. We need you badly. The state needs you. The country needs you.
Violence, the anger, and the flames, at times well out of control, continued until dawn. And throughout, looting was equally rampant. It's all become soberingly familiar in this country.
Last night I dreamt about how things were.
Of every enemy of the state!
And then I woke up here.